What's up, Logan? Running your check-in. It's looked like you're using the sheet great. You're not missing any days. You're putting in all your RPs, your weights. Seems like it's working out great for you too, because you're not overshooting on your lifts. This is really great, especially you're only on your third program. So your progress is gonna be great. You're doing everything correctly. Only thing I want to see is more videos, like I said last time. Every single week you come in here and record your squat, just one set of each one. Your squat, your bench, and your deadlift. That's what I need to see minimally. I would love to see your other exercises, that especially your new ones, like when you send in those reverse squats and stuff. Send those in every week so I can see your progressions, because form is everything. If we're not doing the form right, it's going to be hard to see progress, even if we are progressively overloading. So every week, please try to take videos of at least squat, bench, deadlift. Throw it in up here. I see you have it for that 1 week, but that's about it. Your deadlift, and you only have your deadlift in this video, which is great, better than nothing, but dude, your deadlift is looking so much better than it was before. You see how that bar is straight on? You're coming straight up. Bars on your legs. You're not, this is perfect. Such great progress compared to what we did before, so I would love to see this every single week so I can see your form breakdown as we get heavier. But dude, that is such a big improvement from that last video you sent me. That is awesome. So thank you for sending that in, and I got to see that, because that is some great progress from that last video you sent me. So please try to get one in there every week of every squat, bench, deadlift, one set of each one, and then any of those accessories you haven't seen before. That's all I really have for you on there, because I didn't get many form videos. Progressions are looking great. You're using the sheet right to where you're seeing your progress and you're not overshooting, so that's awesome. You also bring the weight back when necessary. You're making great progress, and I only expect it to keep going as we learn more and more and keep getting better and better at using the sheet. Then the last thing I got for you is answer these questions before the end of this sheet and program is over, so I can make you an even better program, something you're going to want to keep working on, see some improvement. Let me know all these questions, what you're seeing the most improvement on each exercise, which ones you're enjoying the most, which one you don't know if you're doing correctly or you hate, so you don't want to keep doing it. Sometimes those movements will be necessary, but we'll be able to decide that once I hear that from you. That's all I got for you, man. Great progress. Let's keep pushing. Hit me up soon. Let's go get lunch. I can eat those mushrooms soon. Training with those mushrooms is going to make you some great progress as well. So, yeah, that's my dream, is to give that to everyone. So, we'll definitely talk about it soon. But, yeah, thank you, man. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Keep killing it.